Okay, this is another method. We have learned about solving system equation by graphing, by substitution. And today we are learning about using elimination. So this means try to cancel the items, the variables, so that way it's easier for you. So let's look at the first question. Negative 3x minus 4y equals negative 6. And the second element is x plus 4y. And so as I'm writing it, I immediately see this. I can make cancel out this element, this variable y, right? Because when we put them together, let's look. When we put them together, this one, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2x. And here is 0, right? Because 4 minus 4. And negative 14 minus 6 is negative 20. So immediately you know x equals 10, right? So once you know x equals 10, you can just plug it back in. Probably I will use this value, plug it back in here, because this is easier, right? So I'm going to change the color. So we're going to say what? 10, because x is 10 right here, plus 4y equals negative 14. So then you're going to find 0 pair, right? So then minus 10 minus 10. So we get 4y equals negative 24. 4y equals negative 24 divided by 4. So y equals negative 6. So we got the answer 10 and negative 6. Let's try next one. So first you'll see here, right? 7x, and here's a negative 7x. Again, we can immediately cancel out these two elements, right? But I'm just going to write out just for you to be able to understand. So when you do this, you'll see here, this is 0. 8 minus 10 is negative 2y equals negative 16, because both of them are negative, right? So you put them together. And you're going to divide by negative 2. So you get y equals 8. Because negative is positive, right? And then we're going to use this number plug in. Maybe plug in here, this smaller number. So you have negative 7x plus 8 times 8 is 64, right? Equals negative 6. And then you're going to do what? Minus 64. Because you want to cancel out the numbers so you can find the value, right? So you have negative 7x equal negative 70. So you know this is 7, okay? Divided by negative 7. So yeah, x equals 10, right? When you negative positive. So you put 10 and 8. Okay, next one. I'm going to do one more since this is a long process. So I don't want to get bored. So this is 6x plus y equals -4, right? And this is -6x plus ay equals 10. What if I time this with -1? So then this equation becomes -6x becomes 6x. You say, why I time -1? Because in order to make this item eliminate this one, so when you take away this to make it 0, you have to make one positive, right? So that is -6 becomes 6, y becomes -y, and -4 becomes 4. So now we can put them together because now they are, so we can just simply add them together. So you have a 0 here, this is 7y equals 14. So y equals 2. And y equals 2, we can plug it back in, right? Let me change another color. Y equals 2, we can plug it back in. I mean, x equals 2. X or y? It's y, I think. We can plug in here, right? Yeah, it's y, not x. So maybe like this. Get confused. It's y, right? Because it's a minus 1, 7. Yeah. So in plug it back in. Then probably I'll plug it back in here. This one instead of that one. Change the color. Okay, let's do this one. So you can do it this way here. So because this y is only y itself, so it's smaller number. I mean, you can do on this one as well, but I just want to make it easy on you. This y is 2, we don't have to say 16. So this is -4. And so then you're going to do what? You're going to cancel out the numbers, right? So -2. So then you have -6x equals -6. So it's x equals 1, right? And sometimes you can always plug it in and try to check it out. So if you put this in, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's correct. So you're going to put 1, and then y is 2. So now it's your turn to do it.